This is our new 14,000 BTU LG window attached air conditioner. Because I don't have a sliding or drop window, I have crankouts, I had to build this panel which fits in my screen to exhaust the air out. Okay, I'm taking a temperature reading here. When we start this air conditioner, it is currently 10:04 and it's 75.8 degrees in the room beside my bed. The other temperature on the right is the outdoor temperature. Let's see what happens. Okay, one other thing I'm trying to do is determine what kind of power this thing uses. So it's only been running about 5 minutes. According to my watt meter, it only uses about 580 watts, and that's with the compressor running. So we'll keep our fingers crossed now. Let me just check to see what the maximum wattage is using here. You have to bear with me here while I change the display. Okay, it says since I started it, it's used the maximum power of 1,000 watts. That's the peak, and it's already used 1/10 of a kilowatt. That's very ominous. That is a lot of power considering this thing has only been running 10 minutes. So we will keep ourselves posted and see how bad this gets. More later. We're back here testing the LG for sound pressure levels. So if I'm talking, it's around 70-80 decibels. I'll stop talking, we'll see what it goes to. At approximately 1 meter, it's somewhere around 54-55 decibels. So if I'm sitting here in my bed, yeah, 53-54 decibels. Not bad. I added some mylar insulation to the exhaust pipe because I understand there's a lot of heat comes off that pipe. I measured it the other day. It was over 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees centigrade. So we'll see if this helps with the air conditioner. Just some final notes on this air conditioner. Even though it was designed for a slider window, I managed to get it to work with a crank out window with a bit of handyman knowledge. And the price is quite reasonable right now at Home Depot up here in Canada, around $700 Canadian, whereas on Amazon it's $1,400. So you might want to keep that in mind if you decide to buy one. The other thing is this air conditioner has a much higher efficiency than most of these freestanding air conditioners. It's rated at 14,000 BTUs, but of course due to infiltration caused by creating a low pressure zone in your room and the radiant heat from the exhaust pipe, it actually only is rated for actually 10,000 BTUs. But a lot of the other air conditioners, cheaper in price, were only giving off as little as 6,500 effective BTUs, even though they're rated at 14,000. So just something to keep in mind when you're shopping for air conditioners. 14,000 BTUs is not 14,000 BTUs. Bye for now.